Yun, oh. Sarap lumangoy sa dagat habang inaantay yung barko. Kaya lumangoy muna kami dito. Ayun, oh. Linaw, sarap. Oh. Sarap. Uy, 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 uy. Malulunod pa yung cellphone ko. Sarap. Sarap. Nakalangoy din after years. After years.
22 days.
Yun, oh, nakalangoy din sa dagat. Ang huli kong langoy doon sa may Samar pa. Ngayon, oh, dito kami sa sa may Visayas. Bilyaba. Ayun, oh, sarap, oh. Kahit medyo tirik yung araw, masarap pa rin yung tubig dagat. Sarap.
Una ako, Trent.
Sige. Paahon na rin ako eh. Ayun, oh. Sarap ng dagat. Sarap. Wow, imagine this beautiful sea here in the Philippines. Wow.
You know Philippines?
Wow. So sweet here in the sea.
You know Philippines ka muna.
You know?
You know Philippines?
Huh? Alat.
Baliw.
Alat. Pwede tong ito talagang ginagawang asin. Dagat. Ayun, oh. Wow. This is great memories here in the sea of the province. Wow. Look at the end of the sea. Did you see the hills? Oh. Wow. It's more fun in the Philippines, here in the province. Where's my sunglasses? Wow, so beautiful. See, how much salt in this water? 89% salty. Wow. It's more fun in the Philippines.